welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, new background, and then I even got this at, you know, the whole body thing going on Hobby Lobby. And then I just put my fancy dress, you know, kind of like a Marilyn Monroe status, and then the choker, and then the little glamorous scarf with hairs and stuff, just to make it look glamorous. Today is gonna be a Mardi Gras look, a makeup tutorial, and it's gonna be very exaggerated. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to fast forward as fast as I can after I'm done with my makeup, because I'm gonna do decorations and make it look so like beyond, like out of my level. So we're gonna see how that actually shoots out, but I am so excited to show you guys. So we're gonna get started. I already put my eyebrows in white because we're gonna be wearing a white wig with different colors, and you just, for this case, you just need a literally white eyeliner pencil. It doesn't need to be fancy or not to be expensive or whatever. This one I got it off from NYC. I believe you can find it in your local what is it, LA Colors. If you're here in El Paso, is next to Ross by George Theater. So you can go to that store and find it. If not, you can go to a dollar store and see if they find any, if you can find anything white. If you don't have that, it's okay. You can also go to any Target, to any drugstore, and get the NYX in white, the jumbo white pen. So I don't want to get this video longer, so without further ado, we're gonna get started. So quickly, I'm gonna use my Morphe, which is this one, the 12 Picasso palette, and I'm gonna use the color green and blue. The wig that I'm gonna be wearing is this one, and it has all these colors. It's perfect for Mardi Gras. I know it's not the exact same color, are beyond neon, so you can use this one for neon desert as well. Okay, since I don't have a royal blue color for my wig, I'm just gonna go on off from this one right here on my crease, since it's gonna be like super pink. I have my niece with me, so yeah, she's gonna maybe talk every now and then, so don't mind her cuteness, okay? What? It's just like a very dark blue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it with this other blue right here to see maybe it can give me a little bit of the color familiar to that royal blue, but I doubt it.
You look beautiful.
Not yet, mommy, I haven't finished. But thank you, honey.
You look beautiful at your eyebrows.
Oh, thank you. And I got like another fluffy brush. Yes, I know they're clean. Oh my gosh. Blend this right here that it can not show the blending. So you cannot show the cut crease super pigmented. So I think I went beyond past where I needed it to be, but that's okay. I was gonna bring my bird in here, but I cut her wings, so she's like mad at me right now. She started, I'm just gonna show you what she did. So she started flying around, and I have my iPad always, my mirror, my iPad, and then my microphone on the back to hide it from her. So she decided to fly over, and I don't know if you can, yeah, look, I don't know if you can see, but this is what she did to my microphone. So I was just like, girl, no, you don't do that. So yeah, so I had to cut her wings for her to prevent her to flying again in my makeup, and she's mad at me right now. Then for this beautiful palette, I'm gonna dip it into this beautiful color glaze. I'm gonna make sure that color fades more, since I went a little bit more up than usual. And I'm just gonna leave my eyebrows like that, because I really don't know if I'm gonna actually do them different colors, or if I'm just gonna leave as it is. So let's not worry about the eyebrows right now. So I'm not picking up any more product from the product it already has. I'm just gonna be bringing it up, tapping it at the same time, and bringing it up, so it can give you that fading effect. We're done with that one. Now I'm gonna cut my crease, and for this occasion I'm gonna use my Balm Elf, which is this one right here, and I have already showed you guys previous how to use it, not under your eyes because it does creases it a little bit, but if you really want to use it, try to put 1 drop or 2. Do not swipe, because if you swipe, it's practically getting a lot from the brush, because it does get a lot of the product. So I mean, of course you can always wipe a little bit, but still I prefer this to use it for my occasion. I prefer to use it on my cut crease because it's amazing. It cuts amazing, the cut crease. So let's go use it, guys. And you see how pigmented that's actually coming out. So that's why I love that concealer. dramatic pigmented, crazy pigmented. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much just keep using this palette from right here. We're gonna try to make it as pigmented as I can, so you can see every single color. So since the neon right here, this lime green, I wanted to show a lot, so I am gonna put it right here in my. We're gonna put lime green, and this one we're gonna put purple. So that's one thing that we're gonna do, because I mean it is yellow, purples, and greens. I'm gonna use the Zulu by Julia's, the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna dip it into that beautiful purple right here, and this one's gonna go in the outer corner. This palette, oh my gosh, it is so pigmented, guys. Like when I used it, I was like, whoa, that is crazy pigmented. My liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna use Elf, which is this one, and it's in the color black. Let me try to blend a little bit more of the eye right here on the top. That's one thing I can recommend you guys, or suggest you, like if you think it's too harsh, the more blending you do, the better it's gonna come out. You see how it's already faded away comparing to this one. The more blending you do, there's no such thing of a step of like, okay, you can just blend 10 times or go through the brush for like 10 times and then that's it. No, like the more you blend, the more it's gonna look good, but just make sure you don't blend too much where it's the point where it just wipes out everything. Oh girl, this look is coming out super bomb. Real quickly, for this short tutorial, I'm just gonna use this one, the Jumbo Black in NYX for my waterline. I did say I wanted very dramatic, very dramatic. So I'm gonna use my Metron palette and water activated. I'm gonna use that yellow, and the reason why is because I want it very pigmented, like very dramatic, the eyes. Usually I do this, so if you guys see me in person with my makeup, I always love to do dramatic looks. I'm gonna use my Zooted lashes, which are in this one from I Am Lashes, and look how beautiful. This is gonna stand out so freaking much. They're freshly washed, so I do not have any type of mascara, and they show very natural, very beautiful, long and dramatically, just like my life. And I just curled them, and look how much they picked up, just like if I just got them. So now that the lashes are done, I'm gonna quickly get started on my foundation and everything, because I really don't, how I said, I don't want this video to be super long. If it is, I am so sorry. You can fast forward everything, but for this step I am gonna skip my foundation, highlight, my contour. Okay, and I'm gonna use this red one right here to kind of just highlight the right here on the bottom to make it pop even more. Oh my god, mommy's coming, mommy's coming, she's hiding. Then I'm gonna get a little bit of that blue right here, this one. I'm gonna get with another fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend the edges really quick. Erase the harsh line that I have. Oh, night is going wild, and I don't know how to deal with my baby. I'm gone so long, I wanted to be here alone. You lied to me, honey. Okay, so I am gonna wear this lime green right here on my eyebrows. I decided, after all, just kind of go and trace them so it won't look too funny. What? See, the green is very pigmented. Now I'm gonna try to use that red one, and so green, red, and purple. All I'm doing is grabbing the shadows, okay? So it's the green, the red, and we're gonna go better with the blue, because I really don't want it to stain the outer corner of my eyebrow. I'm blending the red with the green, and it's gonna give it that purple effect. You can leave it as it is. I went extremely all out. At this I was gonna go all out, right? So what I'm gonna do is, this step is gonna be very fast forward. I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna be still using my Metron, and I'm gonna use all the colors that I have, which is the yellow, the green, and purple. So I'm gonna take out my other palette, the bigger palette. I'm gonna actually take this bigger one out because I do want all the colors to stand out. This one has more colors, as you can see. This one has more colors. So I'm gonna use the ones that has to do with Mardi Gras. Okay, for my lip, I'm gonna use gotobeauty.com, and the color is gonna be GLIP07. I don't know if you can see that, but this is gonna be the color. It's gonna be a purple one. Okay guys, and that is it for my look. I decided to put the bangs to the side so you can see more of the dramatic makeup that I decided to do for this Mardi Gras coming up tomorrow, which is a Tuesday, Fat Tuesday in El Paso. That's how we call it. So yes, you guys, hopefully you guys like this tutorial. I didn't put any blush, any highlight, as you can see, because I mean this is gonna literally already take it off, but you're more than welcome to put some under, but it's not really gonna make any difference. So that is it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button up so that way you can keep on with all my videos that I'm gonna be uploading, guys. Thank you so much. I love you. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and see you guys the next time. Bye.